Hi guys, welcome back to Stephie Creates. Today I have a product that someone sent me to review. The box is really cute. I love the print on it. So let's get into it. Ooh, these are so pretty. So I'm gonna move this over so we can kind of look at everything. So these are some flowers, and looks like they're all gonna be yellow. So pretty. I love these type of stickers. And then we have this packet of paper. So let's see. 60 pieces. Oh, and sorry, this one was 40 pieces, so 40 stickers, 2 of each, so 20 patterns. This is 60 pieces. Ooh, these are fun. These ones would be good for journaling or just layering, like I like to do. So the smaller ones, here's the bigger ones. These would be so good in junk journaling. Those are fun. Here's another one here, and that's 60 pieces. This one looks like it is mostly like postage, postcards and stuff. If I can get it out. These are fun. That's cute. Oh, I love that one. The ones with the little girls are so cute. So these are all postcards. So those are fun. And then we have this one, another 60 piece. Kind of like crinkly paper. Then this one. They're fun for layering. Next one we have is this one, another 60 piece. And there is 2 of each. That's fun. Alright, and then there's this one. This one looks floral. And you get 60 pieces. So this whole kit is 501 pieces. These are cute. I like these a lot. I'm trying to get to that blue one in here. Love those. Really love these flat floral ones. I think so far these are my favorite papers. Yeah, the floral ones are my favorite, and then the postcard ones. Alright. Here. Let's get this one neat like all the others. Alright, and then we have this one. Can't tell what this one is, but it's some more random papers. 60 pieces again. I really like the colors of this one. It's almost like wallpaper. And when I'm done going through this box, I will be doing a journal page with these. They did not ask me to do that. They just asked me to review their papers, but since today is usually my journal day, I will do a journal in my vintage journal with these papers. You'll do it just using this product. That one is pretty. And then this is the last one. It's 100 pieces. That shows everything that's in it. So let's see. Let's pull this out. If I can get it out. So I want to take the cardboard out with it, because I wanted to say that you could also use this cardboard for something. Mine's a little bent, but I can still use it for something. That's really cool. Alright, so looks like we have little papers. I hope I'm in frame. Yes, you're good. Alright. So these little papers. Ooh, I love this one. That's a little gross, cod liver oil. Anyway, jokes aside, these are fun papers. I do really like them. Ooh, I love that one. So pretty. Ooh, this one's cute too. I don't know what I'm gonna make, but I'm gonna make something. That one's cool. I like that one. I love that one too. I love the colors. I love the butterfly. Cute little mushroom. Oh, that one's cute too. That's cute. Got a little bent. September. Ooh, I like that one. Can't read that. Just trying to read it. that's pretty. I do really love these papers, and I do highly recommend getting it. The only thing, oh, forgot to mention, they do send you some glue tape, which I will be using to glue down. I'm not using my matte medium. Like I said, I'm only using their products on my page. Anyways, the only thing, I wish there was some more color variety of the stickers instead of just yellow. Kind of wish there was some butterflies or other color flowers. I do really like this kit. My favorites are this one, this one, this one. Okay, I don't know if you can see this one. This one. Here, let me get them all into frame here real quick. Okay. So let me go back to my favorites. This one, this one, this one. I absolutely love this one. I do really love these florals, but like I said, I wish there was more options on stickers, like different colors or butterflies or whatever. But these are really pretty. I really love the detailing on them. They're really pretty. But yeah, this is the kit that I received. I believe it's about $13. It's $12.99 on Amazon. The link will be in my description box if you're interested in purchasing. Alright, I am going to get my journal ready, and we are going to use these papers on my journal. Alright, this is how the page turned out. I actually really love it. Turned out really pretty. Very simple. Really love it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you are interested in the scrapbooking journaling pack of 501 pieces, the link is down below. It is $12.99 and it is available on Amazon. Alright, I hope you guys have a good one. See you in my next one. Bye.